Softube plugin called Saturation, which basically just emulates the sound of analog tape and that beautiful, you know, harmonic distortion you get around the thirds. People tell me I don't understand it, but it's instead of that digital wall you hit when you hit peaking, where you just basically slap right onto 0 dB and it starts to get ugly and sharp. With tape, you get a smoother, rounder, more warm feeling before it makes complete noise. But I've added this saturation knob here into the kick drum on this track here. If I just solo in on the kick drum, and this is my saturation knob. Let me just bypass it. Turning it on. Get that I could exaggerate it too much. Off. Right there. Now I've used this in other places too. I've got it on the main mix, and what I've done here is this is the one showing the main mix. And what I'm going to do is jump ahead here in the song, and I've done a little bit of automation on this master track here. This automation here automates the ceiling level of my maxim. So if I jump into here, you'll see the ceiling drops down. Jump into here, it drops back up. Jump back down here, it goes in. And this guy here is automating this knob here. So if I'm in here, it's high. If I'm in here, it's low. Now, the reason I did this is because when you do crank up the saturation, you are actually cranking up the overall volume, and I wanted to completely nullify out that effect so you could actually just hear the warmth. So I'm going to shut up here, and I'm just going to play the track. This is where it gets a bit noisier near the end, and just so you know, you want to be watching this knob to see when it goes up or down. So this is in the off position here at 7:30, and I push it up to about 9:30, 10 o'clock here, and just listen to the warmth it brings. Clearly it's off now. Running this again now from the beginning. I just want to show you with the meters here. I've done my best to level out the sound. Transition here. To me, that sounds thinner. Alright, let's just try it again here. I think that sounds much tinnier there. And if I jump right in here, Anyways, that is the plugin from Softube, and I think it just sounds peachy.